Sawubona bafethu landlord. Today I'm teaching about moments. There is a race that I must run. There are victories to be won. F sharp. Okay, your transpose today it's positive 4. F sharp positive 4. Engusebenzisa transpose. Okay. Play a few lines, then I can break it down. The song goes like this. Okay, currently I'm convenience. Okay. Okay. Very simple one, guys. Okay, breaking it down. There is a race that I must run. There are victories to be won. Mnandi ngoma, okay. Kodwa ngifuna mina nijwayele ukumuvisa isandla since nifunda, okay. Lawa tu washa usabambela. It's a very simple one, guys. Breaking it down, right hand coming to left hand. Okay. Coming to left hand. I'm trying to keep ama-tutorials as short as possible khona ezobukeka. Idatha liyabiza, economy is not good. That's it, bafethu. This song goes like this. I'm sorry if I'm fast. I'm trying to make tutorials short, but yeah, the song goes like this. Simple. That's it, but first, please subscribe, click the notification icon, go to the description section, watch for any information that you might need. If you want to donate, go there. You'll get information where you can donate to me. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Sharp. Keep learning.